Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to turn on and off incognito mode on your Android device. So the first thing that we need to do is go to our browser. So we will choose Chrome for this example. So to turn incognito mode on, we go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots, and we have the option of incognito mode on the second line. We tap on that, and there you have it. Incognito mode is open. When incognito mode is opened, Chrome won't save any browsing history, cookies, or any sort of information. To turn incognito mode off, what we can do is tap on the tab button and just close it. This will revert to the normal tab type and incognito mode will be turned off. So what we do again is tap on the three dots and tap on incognito mode and it's on. Another option that we also have is tap on the tab button and without closing it, we can go back to the normal mode or go back to the incognito mode. A way to realize that incognito mode is on is by the iconography of the hat and the two glasses. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.